Hi, this is Adam from Times, your business accounting assistant. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage your business finances easily, from uploading and categorizing bank statement transactions to reviewing your financial statements, all within Adam. By the end of this video, you'll be able to train Adam to understand your business transactions, upload and categorize your bank transactions, view your profit and loss statement to track your business performance, enable Bank Sync for seamless transaction updates. Let's get started. Once you log into your account, it's recommended to train Adam first, before syncing or uploading your bank statement. Training Adam helps it understand what's unique about your business, your revenue patterns, expense patterns, and other typical operational costs. Think of it as teaching Adam the language of your business transactions so it can classify them accurately. To proceed, navigate to the Train Adam menu on the sidebar. This will open the Training Adam page, where you'll see a list of Adam AI agents. To train the Banking Manager agent, locate the Banking Manager in the list and click on the Edit icon. The dialog box opens for you to enter your instructions. For example, any transaction containing the phrase client payment, client deposit, or rent collection in the narration should be classified under property sales. I am simply telling Adam what phrases to watch out for in the bank statement upload and how those transactions should be categorized. Once you're done entering your instructions, click Submit. You'll see a confirmation that your training has been updated successfully. Now let's proceed to upload the bank statement. Go to the Banking menu and open the Bank Transactions page. This is where you upload your bank statements. Click on the Import Transactions button. A modal pops up where you can select the bank and attach the statement for upload. For quick processing, keep your document to have less than 15,000 entries, about 100 records. For PDF documents, keep it to a maximum of 10 pages. It's important to upload your statements on a month-by-month basis, starting with the oldest month first. We recommend a maximum of 12 months. The opening balance will be set based on the oldest month you upload. For example, if you have statements for October and November, upload the October bank statement first. Once your statement is attached, choose the bank. If the bank hasn't been added to your account yet, click Add New Bank. A modal will appear. Fill in the bank details and click Create Bank Account. Now that the bank has been created, select it, instruct Adam to upload and categorize the statement, then click Submit. Adam processes the bank statement and uploads the transactions for you to view in the Bank Transactions table. Using your training instructions, Adam automatically categorizes each transaction. Select the bank to view all the transactions associated with it. Here, you'll see that all transactions are properly categorized based on the bank statement narration. As you can see, a narration for rent collection was categorized to property sales. A narration for land purchase payment was categorized to construction and land development. This shows how training helps Adam become more precise for your business operations. Next, I'll upload the second bank statement for the month of November. Just like before, attach the file, select the bank, and click Submit. Adam will automatically categorize all transactions based on the instructions. This is how Adam will continue to categorize all future statements using the instructions you provide. Now, let's look at how to recategorize a transaction. This transaction is currently categorized to property sales. To recategorize it, select the checkbox beside the transaction. Navigate to the Recategorize button in the top menu. You'll see two options: Manual Selection. This allows you to manually choose the new account for the recategorization. Instant AI. Here, you can tell Adam exactly where you want it to categorize the transaction. For this example, I'll choose Manual Selection. A modal will open, allowing you to select the account you want to recategorize the transaction. For example, I'll choose the Service Revenue account. Click Recategorize, and the update will be applied. Now the category of this transaction has been updated from property sales to service revenue. You can also recategorize multiple transactions at once, regardless of whether they are debit or credit. For example, here we have two transactions originally categorized under professional services. Select them, click Recategorize, choose Manual Selection, and update them to advertising. Both transactions are now updated successfully. Now that we've categorized and reviewed the transactions, let's take a look at how this reflects in the financial reports. Navigate to the report section on the sidebar, where you'll find a list of your financial statements. Click on the Profit and Loss menu to open the statement. Before diving in, Adam provides an instant analysis, summarizing key insights from your business's financial performance. You can change the statement view between total, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. In this demonstration, I'll choose monthly. This shows the monthly breakdown of transactions that have been recorded. You can also export the statement if you need a copy to share, or for reporting. If you don't want to upload bank statements manually, you can enable automatic sync so Adam pulls your transactions each day. Go to the Account and Sync page. Here, you'll see a table showing your bank accounts and the bank balance. Click on Enable Sync. A modal will appear asking you to choose the start date for syncing. Since we've already uploaded transactions up to November 17, 2025, I'll select November 18, 2025, meaning all new transactions will sync from that date onward. Once you select the date, you'll be taken to the Bank Connection Setup page. Click Connect Account, complete the authentication process, and ensure you select the correct bank. Once the connection completes, your transactions will start syncing automatically from now on. And that's it. That's how you get started with Adam. Thank you for watching. See you next time.